Hey guys, Jesse here with Summit Jeep Company. Thanks for joining us on this week's product review. Want to talk about steps. So we get a lot of people, they come in and they're going, hey, I want to get some steps installed on my lifted Jeep, but I'm concerned about damaging them while we're out wheeling. Well, we've got a really good solution for you here. We sell Rockslide Engineering. They've got a step slider. We've got them installed on both these Jeeps here. I just want to show you guys real quick. So these operate as soon as you open the door. They've got a 12-inch drop down, 650 pounds per step. They really make getting in and out of a Jeep super easy, especially when you've got one lifted up. We also, got some questions too. Hey, these are really cool steps, but what happens when I take my doors off? Well, Rockslide Engineering's already thought of that. They also have right in here that we've installed, it's called a door delete kit. And they're just a little button in here that you guys, when you remove your doors, you push the buttons, and that enables you to still operate or keep the steps in the up position. There's a couple other options too. They come with a power switch, so if you wanted to turn these things off, let's say, you're going to be cleaning your Jeep, you don't want to worry about hitting your shins on them. There's a switch that gets installed right underneath the dash that'll actually cut power to it. Again, really cool option. This is on our customer's JL. We've got same set installed here on our customer's TJ, and then they obviously make them for the JKs as well. So if you guys are looking for a good step option, if you guys are out wheeling, you don't want to worry about hitting your conventional kind of drop down step and damaging them, these are a great option. So again, we sell them here at Summit Jeep Company. We're located at 402 East Sheldon in Prescott. You can purchase them on our website or again, come into the shop. Thanks, you guys.